Yo, what's going on? It's your boy, Beowulf. Alright, so if you guys haven't seen the last video from yesterday, my dad went to the Dodge dealership, St. Charles, Illinois, man. They hooked him up with a killer deal on the trade-in, and I get him a Dodge Durango SRT. Man, I'll be doing a review video on that pretty soon. I think in the next couple of days. So that should be up shortly. But man, he's out of that GM, General Motors family, and now he is in with the Mopar. He's a brotherhood of muscle now. Man, we got the exact same engine, both of my Jeep SRT and the Durango SRT. You know, the truth of the matter is what I should be doing is seeing what the fastest quarter mile time I could do with it. And actually the biggest thing is to be doing the race Dodge Durango SRT first, my Grand Cherokee SRT. Let's see who's the fastest. So maybe that's something my bro Gavin could be doing, because Eric the Red, man, he knows how to drag race, but it's a new car. I don't think he's going to be beating on it. I don't know when we'll do it, because if you look outside right now, it's a white winter. A lot of snow out there, so we got some plans. Guess who's at my house right now? I got Camaro Gavin here, my little brother. He's downstairs hanging out in the basement of this house that I am selling. Check this out. This house is up for sale. Hopefully it gets sold soon so I can move out to Myrtle Beach like I've been planning on for a couple months now. We're taking a trip out there soon too, so I'm gonna be looking at homes, making an offer on a house in the next couple of weeks, and hopefully get this house sold and moving out. And if you haven't seen past videos too, my little brother, he's following me out there to go to college out there in Conway. It's a town next to Myrtle Beach, so he's planning when we go out to this trip, he's gonna look at the college, and he's already done like transferring papers, so he's gonna be transferring, going out there. Is what the plan is. We're both going to South Carolina. And don't forget, Little Pike's going too. Leo Cash, they're all going with. They're all kind of sleeping, just relaxing, enjoying the nice day. It's been cold in the Midwest. It's been like in the negatives for the last couple of days. So it'd be nice going down south where it's gonna be a little bit warmer than what's up here. So let's go find where little Camaro Gav's at. Yo, what are you doing?
Oh, fuck, man. Oh, he's fucking scared of me. That's like not even cool.
Yo, I got him! I got him! Oh, he got scared! Woo! Yeehaw! What's going on, bro?
I don't know, waiting for you. Like
what are you doing, man? What are you playing?
Player, I don't know.
What is it called? You already know what you're playing?
I don't know. Player unknown, I think.
Yo, you're gonna lose, man. You're gonna lose. You got scared. Are you talking to somebody to hear you scream?
No.
Alright, bro, let's get this day going, man.
Okay.
We've been waiting for you all day. All day I've been waiting for you, man.
Yeah, tell yourself that.
What?
Tell yourself that.
I'm gonna tell myself that, and I'm gonna tell the viewers that too. I've been waiting for Gavin all day. Man, have you seen my new video uploaded?
Yeah, I already watched it.
What'd you think?
It's good.
What'd you think of it?
Gotta check it out.
Gotta check it out. What'd you think of the channel art, man? The vector bullet flying out like big bada boom!
Oh, look,
Oh man, he crashed. He doesn't even know what he's doing.
I do.
What are you doing? Why are you pulling the map off? Do you even know where to go?
Yeah, I know where to go. I'm like a pro.
Yo, look at this. It's Yoda! Yoda! Y'all got the Durango SRT and the Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Gavin's just hating on my vehicle. Just hating.
Like the Durango more?
Yeah, I think the Durango has a cooler front.
And back.
Not the back. The front's cool. I like the hood on it. That looks cool.
It's like the Stormtrooper and an Elite Trooper.
No, it's like Darth Vader
Yeah, right.
and a Stormtrooper.
Well, we're about to do some donuts, and this is a good time to check out my channel, Gavin Bursef, on YouTube, do videos, yeah.
You know what? I am
almost hit me. Like, nah. You almost hit me.
I am Beowulf.
Wait. Get in the car, Google. You gotta stop you.
What? We're just turning around to leave here. We just left the movie. We're just going home. I just parked there. We're just turning around.
Yo, man, you were caught. We were caught. This is a good time to show
Why
that.
is this thing? Why is my car talking? Why does he keep on talking?
Oh, dude, the cop. Dude, out of all the cops.
How is it I just knew it.
I know, I saw that car. I was like, I knew cops sometimes hang out back here. And I was thinking.
It's ridiculous. It's like, I'm just like, shit.
See, that person's about to do the donut.
Well, we're just going some.
I know, we're going somewhere else.
I'm Beowulf's going somewhere else.
I don't really care so much.
I wasn't even bothering nobody.
I mean, it's like in the back of an empty parking lot. It's like, there you go, Illinois. You don't have any fun.
Got nothing better to do. I'm just like minding my own business.
Like, I should be like, you want to be on YouTube?
I should be like, hey. Alright, so cop said I should go home. I'm going home.
We gotta first gotta get our donuts in.
Get our donuts in.
For tomorrow.
For today, so. Let's do it. There you go, bro.
Shit, man, get out of here. Yo, man, you almost hit me like twice.
You gotta move around. I don't have a lot of room to spin.
Yeah. Yeah, I think so.
I'll try to.
Don't hit me this time.
I won't. Hopefully I don't hit nothing.
There's like hardly any snow though.
I'll do pretty good. Alright, Beowulf, round 3.
Round 3?
Ready to film with your phone too?
Yeah. you got?
I can smell the rubber in that.
Yeah, I could hear it squeal.
Alright, so that's the video.
I can smell that.
Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe to BWoody!